If you need a birth certificate in Alberta, you must apply through an authorized registry agent. This guide explains the requirements, application process, fees, and other essential details. Whether you need a birth certificate for personal identification, passport application, or other legal purposes, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. How to apply for a birth certificate in Alberta. Eligibility requirements. To apply for a birth certificate, you must be the person named on the birth record, if 18 or older, a parent listed on the birth record, a legal representative with authorization, documents required, completed birth certificate application form, valid government-issued identification, proof of relationship if applying for someone else's certificate, application methods. You can apply for a birth certificate online, through authorized Alberta registry agents. In person, visit an accredited registry agent. By mail, submit the completed application to an authorized registry. Fees. Standard birth certificate, $20 to $40. Varies by registry agent. Rush service, additional $30 to $60. Courier delivery, additional charges may apply. Processing time. Standard processing, 3 to 10 business days. Rush service, 2 to 5 business days. Mail service, 2 to 3 weeks. Where to apply? Find a local Alberta registry agent through the official Alberta government website. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with registries in Alberta. Thanks for watching.